question I get often is, do I need to have a US money transmitter license in order to sign up US customers if my business is physically located outside the United States? This depends, but mostly the answer is yes. If you're selling a product or a service that is under the non-banking product services umbrella, then you don't obviously need a money transmitter license from the US. For example, if you're selling a logo designing service or selling physical widgets from a country outside the US, you don't need to be a money transmitter license within the US. The reasons being, you are the end beneficiary of this transaction. However, if you engage in financial transactions whereby you are signing up a US customer for a product or a service where you are providing intermediary services for, a service that typically comes under the umbrella of a banking or insurance services, then you will be required to have a money transmitter license from the United States, from where your customers sign up. So if your customers are signing up from all over the US, you need to be licensed in all the states. Business services, like any form of money transfer operations, whether you're acting as an intermediary, requires you to have adequate licensing coverage in the source country, meaning the US. In particular, businesses engaged in money transfers who are physically outside the United States and pick up customers within the US will be treated by the US government as no different than an entity that is present inside the United States. So if you're a money transfer company in India and you're picking up US customers and you're not licensed in the US, well, the United States government will treat you no different, even though you're based in India, as if it were that you were in the US. And how do they do that? Well, they go after your bank. Because the US dollar is controlled by the United States government, they go after the bank that you bank with. They threaten the bank, and the bank will obviously de-risk you and drop you off, and they can freeze your money and do all sorts of beautiful things. This advisory, if you are interested, is FinCEN Advisory FIN 20112. That's the year 20112 A001. And the advisory is actually called Foreign Located Money Services Businesses. It was issued on 15th of February in 2012. And as I said, it's a FinCEN Advisory FIN 2012 A001. Thank you.